Ever feel like your sales performance could use a little boom? Like a shot of adrenaline to push you past that quota and into commission paradise? Well, buckle up, my fellow hustlers, because today we're diving into the world of daily cash spiffs. Now, what exactly are these mysterious spiffs, you ask? Fear not, for I, your friendly neighborhood sales guru, am here to break it all down. What are daily cash spiffs? Daily cash spiffs, also known as sales performance incentive funds, are short-term bonuses offered by companies to motivate salespeople to achieve specific goals, and fast. We're talking about cash, cold, hard moolah, handed out on a daily basis for exceeding targets or completing specific actions. Think of it like a mini commission system on steroids. Sell that extra widget? Bam! Extra cash in your pocket. Close a deal before lunch? Cha-ching. You get the idea. Why do companies use daily cash spiffs? Companies aren't handing out free money out of the kindness of their hearts, although, wouldn't that be nice? They use daily cash spiffs for a few key reasons. Boost sales in a short burst, need to clear out some inventory before the end of the month? Spiffs can incentivize salespeople to push those products, giving sales a quick shot in the arm. Motivate specific actions. Want your team to focus on high-margin products or target a particular customer segment? Spiffs can be tailored to encourage these desired actions. Create a competitive spirit. A little healthy competition never hurt anyone, right? Spiffs can spark a friendly rivalry among salespeople, pushing everyone to perform at their best. But are daily cash spiffs right for you? Alright, spiffs sound pretty exciting, but before you start daydreaming about wads of cash, let's talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Pros. Immediate motivation. Spiffs offer a quick intangible reward, giving you that extra push to close the deal. Increased earning potential. The more you sell, the more you earn. Spiffs can significantly boost your daily income. Fun and competitive. Spiffs can add a fun element to sales, turning it into a bit of a game with your colleagues. Cons. Short-term focus. Spiffs can encourage a focus on quick wins over building long-term customer relationships. Unsustainable. Relying solely on spiffs for motivation can be a recipe for burnout. They're best used strategically. Internal competition. Spiffs can create unhealthy competition within the team, leading to negativity and resentment. Making daily cash spiffs work for you. So, are daily cash spiffs the holy grail of sales motivation? Not necessarily. But used strategically, they can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Here are some tips to maximize your spiffs experience. Understand the goals. Make sure you understand the specific goals the spiffs are designed to achieve. Focus on the long term. Don't neglect building customer relationships in favor of quick spiff wins. Balance is key. Spiffs should complement your base commission, not replace it. Communicate with your manager, discuss your concerns, and work together to create a win-win situation. Remember, daily cash spiffs are a tool, and like any tool, they can be used effectively or poorly. Use them wisely, and you can watch your sales numbers and your wallet soar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on hustling.